Get the rules out the ball. We've got to get
Lovely. Lily, give Matthew the ball.
Matthew! I want the ball.
It's a nice expensive ball, darling.
I want it.
You want this one? He'll let you have a go in a minute, Jamie. Don't worry. It'll be your turn in a minute. Yeah. You will get a turn, don't worry.
We've got a ball.
Oh. See, he's going to throw it to you. He's not very good, but he'll throw it to you.
So I'm disturbing
Your turn, Jamie.
Jamie! Jamie!
Woo!
Jamie!
Oh, that was impressive.
Jamie!
Let me see if I can
Jamie.
catch it back to you. Oh, that's another ball.
It's a heavy ball.
Yeah, don't be
Shall I
throwing
throw
that
this
at
one to you
someone.
as well and you throw it to...
Is that the one you want? Can you throw it as well? Look, go on, man. Look. Excellent.
Thank you.
Don't throw that at someone who's got a cup in their hand. Were you impressed? I called it left-handed and it didn't go in. You won't be able to catch that one, darling. That's heavy. Oh my gosh!
Oh, God, that is good.
Listen, I won't warn you if you see it's coming and I'm not ready. I need to be warned.
Yeah,
Right then,
you have to keep your eyes.
Woo!
Hands up.
Gosh, it is heavy, isn't it? Are you ready?
Jamie, are you listening?
Jamie, hands up if you want any birthday cake.
Yeah, hands up. Hands up, birthday cake. Jamie, do you want 2 pieces of birthday cake?